quick market breakdown. I'm really sorry not actually upload this video since Monday. Usually I normally upload these videos on Monday evening. So one of the reasons to that is because this week is actually FOMC meeting, that is a Fed meeting, just like as you guys could see on my screen here. So now, and mostly on this week of FOMC, market is likely going to consolidate. And if you look at the market, it's either for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days now, we have been on a consolidation phase. So the market direction was not that clear to me, but I have my objective in line. So now I have other things I'm also looking at. I called out for this level on weekly time frame for market to take it out before we rally higher. I called out DXY is going to rally higher, but I wanted it to take out 107.580, and we see it came very, very close to it, and unfortunately it did not take it out, and we continue pushing higher. So now since then the market has been a little bit complicated, so we're just looking at it. So I think it's better here on daily. So I was expecting market to run out this liquidity here, but market failed to run it out and started pushing high. So now if you watch now, you see that during last 2 weeks when we had this push to the upside, I think this was caused by CPI. So you see, after that, the market went into consolidation all the remaining days. You see, we have the next day, 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Market has been consolidating. So now, I've been looking for a scenario whereby yesterday would have first of all have a kind of a push into this region before we go higher. So you see, market ended up closing higher yesterday. So now, looking at this on daily time frame now, yeah, we say the market is on a bullish trend, yeah, for sure. So now, but if you look at, I have my last 2 weeks high marked here, and you see market has pierced it, market has pushed it. So what am I looking out for now? So what I'm basically looking out for here now is, since we have run out this level now, the stop losses above this level now, can we have some kind of push to the downside back to this level? Probably, maybe we continue, or maybe we come down. So I don't know, but can we come back to this level? So I'm looking at, can DXY fall back to this level now? So let's look at 4 hours to see if that will support our trade idea. So looking at 4 hours now, you see this liquidity has been taken out. I have this more of consolidation area we expand, so which is more like, I'm taking this as a fake expansion to the wrong direction. So more like, can we have more like a bearish pattern on lower time frame for us to sell back into this region? Because I still looking at to see if market will come into this region to come and fill this region. So I'm still looking at that scenario. So let's look at 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, it don't have anything much to give to us. See the same thing we've seen on 4 hours. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame. So here on 15 minute time frame is better. Here on 15 minutes time frame is better. So this is what I'm looking out for. So we already have this aggressive expansion. So I want to see something of this nature, then come back, fail to go above this high. So I will definitely be shorting if I have another high here that fails to go above this original high that has been set. So I'll definitely be shorting. So what am I trying to say now? So coming into FOMC today, I'm expecting dollar to drop. So I'm expecting this to happen today, being FOMC day. So I'm expecting a bearish dollar today, then a bullish other foreign currencies. So let's look at GBP USD and Euro USD. So here on GBP USD, yes, so let's go to monthly time frame. So here on monthly time frame, you guys could see that we have cleared out this major sell side liquidity on monthly, and whenever we take out a major sell side liquidity, then there's a tendency of market trying to pull back in. So now let's look at weekly time frame here. So now weekly time frame, the other flow is bearish also. The other flow is bearish too on monthly. So now, but we are trading on currently on a discount price. So if we're on a discount price, definitely that should attract a lot of buyers. Just let's say a shopping mall is on a discount period, definitely it's going to attract people to come into the market to buy, right? So we are currently trading on a discount price, which I believe a lot of people are being attracted to this market now to buy GU. So now looking at this on daily now, you'd agree with me that you notice for the past 1, 2, 3, 4 GBP USD has keep on push, come back to close as what I call it as a rejection. So you see, keep on bouncing off, bouncing off, bouncing off, bouncing off. So now, can this day now close as a bullish candle? Of course it can. So we don't know, but we're looking at it. So previous week low has been taken out. So let's go to 4 hours. So coming into 4 hours here now, you can see how this market struggled before moving towards the downside here, then taking out all this liquidity here. So you see all this liquidity here has been taken out. So we have our sell side liquidity here, which has been run out. So basically for me now, I would be looking out for opportunity to buy GBP USD, just like I'm looking for opportunity to sell. Looking out for opportunity to sell what is it called, to sell DXY. So now what am I expecting now? Let's go to 1 hour. Let's see if it's gonna be clear right here. So now coming into 1 hour now. So I'm taking this now as a big consolidation. Market has been consolidating here for a very long time. For 1, 2, 3 days, market has been consolidating here. So we have this push to the downside. So I'll be looking at, okay, can you come out, break structure, come back to retest, and we target this high of this consolidation. So something of this nature, about 120 pips should be obtainable today during the FOMC. So this is basically what I'm looking at for on GBP. So let's look at 15 minutes time frame to see if we can get a better setup on 15 minutes time frame. So here on 15 minutes time frame, you see we have the market clearly running out sell side liquidity here. We see the market trying to push. So I'll be waiting patiently to see if we can break above this high. So once we break above this high, so on a good retracement, I'll be looking for opportunity to buy GBP USD. So this is basically what I'm looking out for on GBP USD. So let's look at Euro USD. Let's look at Euro USD. So now looking at Euro USD, let me take you guys back to monthly time frame. So here on monthly time frame here, as you can see, we have run out sell side liquidity for 1, 2, 3 months now. We have been trading on the pure discount price. See, we just took out previous month low. So let's look at weekly time frame. So now we're looking into weekly time frame now. I called out for this level. Check my subsequent videos, you will see that I said market is going to reject from here. Now we see market trading lower. So now I'm looking at this. Now we have this particular low here, which I would have loved Euro USD to take out before subsequently trading to the upside. So let's look at daily time frame. So looking into daily time frame now, I called out for this level last week. I said watch out for this level. I want to see market trading to this region and drop, and as you can see, market did exactly what I wanted. So 163p, but unfortunately I could not get a lower time frame entry for this trade. So I did not take this trade, even though it made up with everything, but I did not get a lower time frame entry for it. So now I would want to see Euro USD. I want to see Euro USD pushing lower, taking out this low. Then probably I would want to stock in for a long position. So let's look at 4 hours time frame here. So looking at 4 hours time frame, I'm still looking at the same thing. I want this low to be taken out. I would want this low to be taken out, but I don't know if this is what is trying to hold price. I don't know, but I would have loved to see this low taken out. So let's look at 1 hour 15 minutes. So basically for me, I think what Euro USD want to do is try to pull back a little bit, then dump, then probably we can stock up for long position there. I think that's what Euro USD want to do. So but let's just be looking at it. So I would not say we should go into a buy on Euro USD now because of the liquidity I have sitting here. So I would love to see this liquidity taken out. I would have loved to see this liquidity get taken out. So it's more like, I don't know if price is finding support, if there is something that is giving price support here, I don't know. So but based on my own view, I would have loved to see price trade lower. But if that does not happen, if we see price break into the highs, then definitely I'm going to be looking for opportunity to buy Euro USD. So we already have a bullish market makers model here. First consolidation, second consolidation, third consolidation. Definitely there's a chances of we start going higher. So this is basically what I'm looking out for in Euro USD. So let's look at gold. So yeah, looking at gold now, let's look at monthly time frame. So here on monthly time frame now, I've always called out for this level here. I want gold to come back to this level and run it out. So since we have this level is already run out, there's a chances of gold coming back to fill out this void of, can you see, for the past 1 2 3 4 5 6 months gold has been selling. So we need to at least come back to it back to around 1800 there, even if we're going to continue trading lower. So let's look at weekly time frame. So weekly time frame is still bearish, so more like expansion, retracement, expansion. We need another good expansion and retracement. So let's look at daily time frame here. So here on daily time frame here, I want to see gold. You see, we're trading below this major low here. We ran out. So if we take up our Fibonacci 2 here and drew from there to here, so gold is currently trading on a discount price. Gold is going to trade on a discount price. So even if we does not take out this low, I want to see some kind of gold breaking up to the highs, then coming back to this region here. So I think that is what I'll be looking out for. So I'm bullish on gold also, but I would love to see it taking out this major low of 1654 350. But even if it does not take it, I want to see price breaking up to the highs on lower time frame too. As you can see here now, we have prices consolidating on 4 hours. So we want to see gold breaking up to the highs for us to be able to stock off for a long position and come back to this region. So basically I want to see gold probably breaking up to the highs, then trade back to this region. So this is basically what I'll be looking at for gold. So or if that does not happen, I want to see price firstly coming back to run out this low, then I will now start hunting for buy opportunity back to this region. So this is basically what I'm looking at for gold. So hope you guys are be able to make use of this outlook properly. So see you guys next week on Monday. So it's been amazing to have you guys on this section.